I light this non-monastery candle. Blessed be non-monastery nuns dildos in private places with love, because home is holy. And now I take this helmet. You know how tight these helmets are. I cannot see anything, you know. Feel the moment. Don't think the other one is a furniture, you know. Feel the touch, you know. Feel the touch, you know. Feel the touch, you know. A little bit closer it was, but not enough, you know. And now we go to the army, and I say something to the army, because I'm Christ. Eyes forward! And in the army you take a little bit of stone with you from the past, not too much. And now you have to guess which one I am. Sith or Jedi. Take a guess, child. Get your judgment on me.